Billy Jack on location in front of the territorial office building in central Honolulu, Hawaii. This is a recap, a re-examination of this building. Notice the magnificent tall columns, very high up. I'm going out on a limb, I'm saying this one's all red brick with a beautiful facade on it. The caps of the columns are possibly cast iron. The ones over across the street at Iolani Palace are cast iron. These may be too. Steps going up. Beautiful green birds taking over the place. Interlopers, they shouldn't be here in this state. Let's take a closer look at this beautiful old world marble. They got it all boarded up. Of course, we have immediately going down here, windows at ground level. All this on the bottom here is a facade. It's kind of what the Freemasons put in here to make it look like a foundation. See that one down there by the windows? It's supposed to be a foundation, but it's fake. Once again, we've got the gray bricks. They're always on flower beds around government buildings. So kids, keep your eyes out for gray brick. I'm also looking for the yellow brick, the pre-Masonic brick, if it even exists in Hawaii. Anybody sees that yellow brick, let me know. Out here. Beautiful, beautiful old world metalwork. Just an incredible facade, just to be made of cement. Good notice on the brickwork. Billy Jack over and out.